Hi everyone, it's James here. Just a quick technical update on this Thursday. It's a very short video and it's going to be slightly unprofessional in the way it's presented, but at least I'll get the information out to you. So I'm going to just highlight to you the trades that are busy going on right now. What I'm doing today, I'm focusing on metals today and crypto, probably natural gas too. Now let's start with metals. I've just unhedged the long position that I took on gold from 5330, unhedged it at the red arrow at the top here, and added a small short. So I'm now fully short. That hedge is now resolved, taking profit, $200, quite a decent profit, and now aiming for a mean reversion, probably to the 50-period moving average and that breakout point there where we originally got hedged, very fortunately. And then in silver, I've just taken, I did get a hedged actually on the break above that level. I've just taken that hedge off at break even, and I'm now still short. We got short a few days ago over here, and that short is still in play. I have not yet added more size, but I will do so on both of these if they look good. Now going across to natural gas, I'm still unchanged in my position. This is a hedged position. I got long at the bottom, long over there, and hedged the whole lot, locking in a small profit. It looks like something like a bear flag, I suppose, or a bear rectangle below all the moving averages going up, across the page after a bit of a dip down. However, we've got a gap down below here, which may need to be visited. But however, it could be that this is a bull flag because we've moved down, bounced up, and we're consolidating above the low. So slightly different. So I don't know. Probably play the breakout pullback here. So if we break out through the top, pull back to the breakout area, and then look like it's going to reverse, we'll get long. Same thing on the short side. We're currently hedged, but we have a long side profit. We don't want to give that back. And then going across to Bitcoin, I'm now 33% hedged. I will get some more hedges on here to the short side if we break down below this little level here, the bottom of this large, what looks like a bear flag now, and that little swing low. It's difficult to see over there, that swing low. I'll add some more shorts, another 33%. And if we break down below that swing low, we'll be well below the channel or bear flag. And the next target will then be equivalent to the move down into the bear flag, flagpole, bear flag. And the flagpole exit will be something like this. I'll just move it along. I'm not going to redraw it. Starting at the top of the flag. That takes us down to about 65,000, somewhere around there, into the consolidation zone right below us, and probably the area that needs to be retested down here somewhere. So that's Bitcoin. I'm now going to be looking to the short side, unfortunately. And then NASDAQ and S&P moving up still long on all of this stuff here until proven otherwise. Dollar moving down. I think we have a little bit further to go on the dollar downside, perhaps, not necessarily. This is the blob I had drawn in many months ago. You'll remember that's breaking down through Dixie mode. Let's look at it on the weekly chart. And you can see here that we've got a fundamental breakdown in the Dixie below Moab initially and now below this long-term channel. However, I don't think we need to get much below that blob, and that represents the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the move up. I haven't got it drawn in. You can draw it yourself somewhere in that region of the blob. And it's also the bottom of a very large megaphone pattern, which I've had drawn on for some time, and which I don't have drawn on now. So potential target, but we may try and bounce here. Let's have a look back at the day chart and see where the dollar is moving. And just bouncing out a little bit, probably just a retrace, maybe to the underside of the trend line or the Bollinger Band. And then perhaps we're going to have to test that lower level into the blob. And that's in the 94, 93 region for Dixie. There'll be another 200 pips down, other majors 200 pips up. And that will help assets as well, like Bitcoin stocks and metals. And if the dollar does move down today, keeps moving down violently, which call this violent, it's not that violent, it should push our short metal trades the wrong way. So, we've got a long on the Dixie and a short on the others, gold and silver. That's it, folks. Quick update. Hope you enjoyed that. Nothing else to add today. Apart from a couple of things here, VIX hovering around, breaking down from that high. So not yet indicating that the VIX is going to blow out through the top, therefore adding more upside to the S&P. Bitcoin dominance moving down a little bit. Altcoin traders will like that. But Bitcoin gold weekly moving yet further down and not looking good. Maybe still similar to that previous penetration of the 200 here on this chart, but this one's gone a wee bit further. I thought we could bounce up here. We have not, and hence we're starting to get short Bitcoin. Have a great trading day. Speak to you soon.
Look at my laptop, Jay. Blue sky. let it handle. Better look, better good, out bush chasing that cut. I'm swing, trading in the outback. Made top to glow by the cattle gate. Ride that way, then I let it fade. In the dust, I'ma swing upgrade. From Melbourne streets to the desert plain. Snag on the barbie, checking gains. If it runs too hard, I'll take my slide. Too easy, I'm out at the perfect price. What?